Is that fine? Hey. How was it?
Oh, it's nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
I'm sure my onion cheers.
Cheers. Oh, but it's nice sometimes when you go out like this.
You like it?
Oh yeah, it's very very good. So how's work?
Very stressful. Say me building new projects be. I drink no.
Yeah, building, every day building.
Yeah, it's very stressful, you know. Very, very stressful. Let me see maybe someone. Frank. I don't want to get on no more China.
Why, me Frank, Madam Frank.
Hi, look for nothing about you. Me, who should be a. Me, who said, can't be a nothing be a name.
Frank, again, a person. Any near man to Frank and say, yeah, me in a good Frank.
This is not usual. I'm not going to quiet.
Oh, too quiet. The girl is still in Ghana, but the girl and Frank right now, there's a gap. There's a big gap between them.
Are they separated?
Yeah. A long gap. All because of Frank. And yeah, my Frank, he did a massive.
You are joking.
Madam Frank.
What funny cheek?
Tell us my Frank be here no. Who did how because we artists.
Frank what funny cheek?
I found mom you know. On the back, down about to work.
Hey!
Frank na. Over to the boko.
Frank.
Anyone
who can come.
Enti I'm again no. Ebegu sister. Na me first me who say Frank actress so. Say me freezy ya bet this.
So.
Man ko to bet. Na me to so nka me ni ba. Me ko pie so nka me wu. Omo pie free dia man ba na me hu omo.
No mummy saying na.
Omunya obi.
They were together.
Yes,
they were sweating.
Everybody's on I'm dressing. Wet. Yes, we are dressing.
They were dressing up.
So I saw them.
So you saw them?
I didn't saw them, but I heard them.
You didn't see them?
Yes, but I heard a voice from afar. A far voice. I heard a voice shouting in inside our room. A girl voice and Frank voice. When I got closer to the room, I heard a two girls voice. And one Frank one in a voice.
They were shouting.
They were screaming, and they were endurance.
No, they were not endurance.
Romance.
They were enjoying.
And all of a sudden I saw them coming from the
Wait, so you were standing behind the door?
Behind the door.
You heard?
Yeah, so Frank saw me and Frank was surprised and she was shocked. So he told me I shouldn't tell anybody and a whole lot. But I told him that this thing that you have done will create problem for you. And definitely it has created problem.
Wait, so the threesome, the girlfriend wasn't part of the threesome?
Mm-hmm. A different two girls from different sides. So right now,
what's wrong with Frank?
Frank has been womanizing since from childhood.
But he doesn't look it.
Yes, Frank started womanizing when he was 6 years old.
Hey.
I'm talking about Frank. You don't know the person I'm talking about. Yeah.
No, but me threesome there or start here check.
You know, the girl can't again. She's girlfriend. She can't. So right now they broke up.
It's so frustrating.
Yeah, overrated.
What's overrated?
Like frustration.
Frustration?
Yeah.
No, it's frustrating.
Frustrating, yeah.
Yes.
Right now.
How could Frank do? I mean, come on. She said they're getting dog.
Frank doesn't care about love. Frank cares about feelings. He doesn't care about love. He cares only when she's having something with you.
No, but wait. So when they came out and they saw you,
yeah.
How did you know that it wasn't just acting?
It was
were they sweating?
Yeah, them wrong. You just serious for her. Said that and your cast group, we don't shoot series there. Automatically, when I hear the voice, that means it is going on. So right now, Frank and his
Were
girlfriend.
they sweating?
Sweating. All the two girls are sweating, and Frank too is sweating. Frank was cruising the frap.
Really?
Really?
Hey! So, what did they say?
Are you surprised?
Very!
You don't know Frank. That's why you're surprised.
You should have called me. I can't remember TV.
Even if I had a video, like a clear video of what went on in the room, I'll post it.
You post it where?
In the social media.
No, you can't do that. Someone's nudity.
It's my friend me nakedness.
Hey, oh I had you. Wow, we drew on us. Hey, baby, you are better than me. Na say ka we so munyansa kakra na ka this guy it started say we see Dianka. Obey you. Wa nyansa no. Aka krabat. Why are they? What's na chepa?
Tiga me ko hangi wiem. Me ko hangi wiem no physical botanza to president.
Oh, they be say you ko pechi baby.
Na ka me pechi.
Cause I close to you say be.
Me pechi ozo.
Me hono.
Ko no tiase.
Eva.
O ho no tiase.
Na say me metemi am fie.
Inti I didn't know how to me pechi wo fie ho. Na me pass
me buy them.
Sai sa makanta. What do you
buy
mean?
Aha, me buy na me hu say na why ha na ahia utua wo so tua say $1,500 na utua wa ha na me dwen ho say nka wo hu nyansa kakra na ka odi sika kakra me nua ma baby ntan me fancy dan ka me
Me ka just that for my baby ntan da me me da. Wa say okay go what to be that.
oh
Say that da body say that it am for gen. Because they didn't perform.
na say wo si dan na me so me ho che ma ba betenem
Na say na wo mema so ko mo fie MCMT houses is one so mo ma ye metenem.
na onji bi
Na fiti ana oje.
hey
Was it easy?
anyway say na penny there me dey ministry
But self of course I need my privacy as well.
yeah enti papa na papa na we
Oh.
na so dey ti papa bi
Na time aso. They need.
papa ne time aso
Maybe.
na say papa ka chem so ye good
Oh yeah, oh yeah me good. Na said the be o said be my ye mo ba ni GP ya o ye ma.
into man ko
Me I just my man ko say me fiti ana man ko ye.
enti ba ne say
The only must me to me. The wife, oh man me yakona ni pa ni threaten me. I'll kill you. Stop following my husband. Now we are sending me a text. Now we are like I got fed up. Maybe sano. Say order me number my wife no. So ni mo no she then. So how come and our wife nyame number what shall I say from me? And then I complained to him but Obano abeko kuli me no he doesn't say anything sensible be anti there. To avoid danger na me tell back man
oh wow
yeah but after all me
na oba no ade na woni man na mu pia na
yeah pia but say call places are allowed. They call lounges and all that could lounges and all. I don't know how come.
Sandra so obi kunu de oni ni pia ko bebe bi quiet ko ni eni we mu say na ye fie o obefie no ko ye mfa ni pie
sis not a me yakala no okoro no person mo bi ehun say na girl akwachi fresh girl I don't know some asem na no mo ni edi no o person obi ehun say as a penny or small girl be na especially when as a friends no mo ko baby o person obechire obi a person obechire na girl bi na ode me na mo no akolo de no fu he na hu na the near gibia no ba no de bi o person
na ye so de
be dey say na anya no na me kakra to me do be ka say me no say me
no ka say mpia o say me na ye me ya o ka say mpia o say me ti na ko man excuses de bia na wo jiska na de course na de show ho wa mama mi ya we say bibia senka me ba ye me de ne ma bo
take what did am to senka me
aka me so de ya na auto ne ma ba e bi wa wo free but we de nka me fam free
yeah I feel we say ne wo ka say o say me hu nyansa na me me hu nyansa no tim sisi ani menye ma yɛsɛ me so me be hu jimi a betwe ne o ma de me sika be bia
oh na sɛ ne ma na ade yɛ ho yɛ sɛ wo yɛn ka no kora beginning no na wo togo ne ma nyɛ me anaja
me ko to do woni ne wo nhyɛ ne hai so o pese me nsa me ko to do
emfataw
e ba ko eni lu ahye ne hai why
wo ko to do na me frɛ me phone so na o ba be dey to do
ko yɛ na tell na ka sɛ me nim nyanza no
me ka sɛ si
woni so wodi ma tell me directly ahye me de o sa ma ka sa ka be kan wa say what do you tell me directly ahye me na come square
na me che onyansa keke ba de fa che me
yo
nti say one ho Tise wana ne ko be de tu ya dan yika ante
no kware nkasa na me bi afrim na ebi nsi kwan so a me nyi do ho no
te bi o
unko na ebi ba eze
kuma no makasa bebre say
hwiwe ase kuma so dan no is Legon ha
it's we
for 2 days bro me no that me accept say yes my accept so my boyfriend na me ja will be same day so when I do
oh yes mata
na ha na be dia my man can say me hwe poster e be bob bra papa bi dey
into we catch me what's going on like hwan
I have rich handsome nice flashy she say bibi abi
is it
Ahuofe
sir what
so is Legon on
yeah
escafo no mo kro man ne dey
trasago hey akasa woman
trasago ina ne cars me say
woman ne say we you
oh say na okro grada agro bi no no medio
chini worry ne
your say me spec just say bibia be treat your worship but the shadow no me no kro na me tease
onu do ni yere
single money worry na wo so na say me nse nko de bushia na wa say da wa bro ho asem ha o twa during the show we na video but there was some bring me was go pressure me ankasa no yakopon no o sheda draw me o design me no owie no homo ko no no to me first one but twist go say something enti me no black no I draw me ho e bi ko no maybe ba I so kuma say no ankasa papa bi
wow I'm happy for you
oh thank you baby girl
enti chairman adwuma be no ye cars ne dan ya wo ken adwuma hope say onye some
fraud
oh
da bi me no fraud
where they
imports and exports and now osat snabo change what I import cars more me no ka say cry I'm say last 2 weeks that the container we dream now we 3 cars and I got 3 na cars na me won in Jerana
Bobby chairman I come in chairman
where you vela back and I so the morning and where you Range Rover Evoque
you don't say
I mean it baby and where you Bentley where you G-Wagon Brabus G65 Brabus
are you kidding me
I'm not joking my nigga
na boy bisa ememe bisa na krom ha
ebe krom ha na ene hu she say na ye hu ye pay say pe sugar daddy yo ye wo hiyo
na me mention ni
na say wo person ka wo mo hia no on so ya go we sifia ye obi bia you know
I'm just kidding dear baby I got a media don't say they don't go on oh but I'm happy for you no oh no I'm happy for come on won't say me girls code me nah don't do that I don't do that I can't wait I just can't wait
na da na me de me chawo de me catch friend o ba se na obefa na ho
na se na wo kan won ye despite nko for you na for ni bia cause me money say there
so krom ha
really oh and not krom ha
normally no nti ha also fabrication by na this is the program this is the being a hydrant na ma buy cra wa che no
oh I see that's why
also no be stra ni ma me no buy say this is the hydrant binti no also making sure say wa hwe bibia so what's neat ni bibia ansa na jaba ko nyesa and say me de ko shia
Girl, big fish.
Big fish, oh, yeah.
Hey, where do you know? No, Nankasa. We are so on worry, and I say, like a person on worry, on. Not just say, watching a show, but to not just say,
now for the Jamanako.
Emanenko.
Krumha.
Emanenko, the Biarada. What damn board in D&D? They say, I didn't even see that.
Other girls,
I know my barco.
Other girls in whom him, they say him or him,
PP, finish a day.
Problem.
Oh, no. Oh, no, social media.
So, Madam from where is she? Where is she?
Oh, she's coming.
Sorry.
She's coming.
Wow.
She'll come soon.
But the minimum council don't can horse and be answered.
Oh, one of the two pine. Or 2 pine. And only a very important person now. She's very, very close to me.
Oh, wow.
And you know, I told her about you.
Okay.
And then she really wants to meet you.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice. For just a normal person. This is
oh, Father, phobia, I'm no best stress. No, I hate friends. Me there, and I'm for some day I don't like it.
Oh, shit. Fuck it. Ow.
Hello? Oh, okay, Abba. Oh, when come in, shall dear one to say. Oh. Okay, Matty. All right.
What does it?
That's a bad normal.
No,
No,
really?
I Coke, no more famba. I ordered for Coke.
Oh, I think she's coming.
My friend is even calling.
Fro.
One. Oh. Oh man. What am I telling? I will tell him if anything I'll let you. Oh, no problem. It's fine. I'm not happy though, but it's fine. And it's someone here. Alright. I'll talk to you later. Oh,
Hey,
babe.
what's up?
I'll say when you're emergency, I'll say we'll call.
Madam Funo.
I'll say when you're emergency, I'll say we'll call.
Oh.
There we are.
Oh, okay.
It's not some other time.
Oh.
Let's have a selfie. You don't want to come to my place?
So what's the order for what Coke?
Oh yes, Coke. Yeah.
Oh,
Finally.
okay.
Thank you.
I hope
Are you
so.
happy for it? Yeah.
I hope so. Down for a big problem there.
Oh no.
No,
She's
okay.
fine. She's fine. Oh no, party, don't go there. I just
Okay.
want you to at least get to know somebody around
Oh,
me.
okay.
After they be a minute, like.
I tell you.
Yeah.
Tell you.
Thank you.
Tell you.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm be very funny to me. My name said here. I'm betting my son that John.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm back to my side that Joe and your mommy bring home. You know who I want to see.
So?
Thank you very much. I think that's why, yeah.
The mom opened no more there.
Alright. Wow, that's not bad.
So nice.
Please enjoy your meal.
Oh,
Thank you. Babe, let me. Wow.
Yeah.
It's nice, right?
It's nice.
Nice. Very, very nice. Oh, Fugu, right? Fugu Bar and Restaurant.
Yeah. The food is very nice.
Yeah.
Wow. I think before Chaba had a beer. So nice.
So maybe a common share than them, but I feel like eating. Very nice.
Okay.
You know, babe.
Woman. I didn't know about so. Missy Fatcher me, eh? And you be beer when yet man shut us a member. Number drew where we number one know how may pack it in a minya call emergency. No, send me rush a call baby. Why wouldn't him say, but when it comes to money, I say, I know my busy. Oh, I mean, you may be a banana swine shit. To almost frame me now. There was a bit jabby. Fatcher me, why? Fatcher me. What about me? Make one person me who no channel.
Now, we want how many minutes now can be see if you can.
Oh, come on, woman. When him say me banana me better na sisi ya. Me think I say my better na me sorry. And besides, I mean him say call ne kure beba. Oh, me ni on say me beba me ni ma no nye ni nyina na aba. Me shepi bi na me ye bi e ba ye nti me sell. Enye say bi a ma sheda say bi a me pese me hu nipa na bibi. Sa box me di eche me ba ye on say me ba me nya sen kra. Me ba ye 1 month aba. Me di box na chi san kofo ni ma wo mu. Oh, empa boy na so pay kra bi wo mu. So, tina was a me chasing a major, and yes, I was sign at the court or my warehouse. I must be. Eh? What a patch me, what a winning deal. Say, who sign am I me date for say inquire? Me, I met you.
Me and I met my dates.
What am I me dates? Catch him said that say,
Mum, I'm a mimi dates.
Me, my dates.
Because, one, on a more serious note, many boy, no, many not, madame for doing no crime, like Majanaso and Nayaka. Into onim obia wa around me. So also my first time sister Penny. So me can't say me chair we na me call catch and say, oh you want to see him. I feel they were bets now what on coffees and within wow. Oh.
My sorry.
No, that's true. I will say at least.
Yeah, sorry.
Na chana who baby say bia. Also stuck it to a boyfriend.
Yes.
And is there any number my day too. One also my
next
weekend catch them.
Yenye next weekend. Why?
Yeah, sure.
Yenye next week. So me near na baby and no. Ti me ma say my girl na yi egu shop ni ade. It is nice perfumes ni ade aba. So on come me buy a cry na that day no come to me na near me do o mo cry come be baby cry no cry about perfumes. And I dey be store. What dey be shop so be say be yi bi. Into them myself fa me. Me cry person me meeting na say ye business. Say o tot of perfumes ni ade.
Be see be chia mo say dey be business. Say dey ade.
What they say me chia na me business kan. Say share. Na share need dey say na me so my ye. Na
my job but
your friend is saying mo bana o ma bibia na ka o ma me kakra. O ma hwe. So do discuss how you stingy.
Why is
Why you say?
Uba hona be so uba hona ka ube na sa ko ma baby.
Oh.
Na ka on be say family office ka mbero.
Na one kasa why you say?
Eh?
Why you say?
Na me da say me da be your mommy scanty no.
Mama kakre.
O say. Na da wo ni mpina ni bia na. Wo ni boy.
No, once I me dey omo ye business. Wo dey na to be mama ni. Oh, to me jaw dey na no dey trade.
Ba me on say me pe rich niggas. Ba wo dey wo ki ba bi ni kura ba oji o. O say o ka so like a chere. O ti ki ba bi ni ba kura je di sikedi. Na
You be a baby. We e kwatakra mejo. But we e kwatakra mejo.
But it's more thing.
Ah, na mti more thing. Na wo hwe wo ho ansa na wakati wo ayi.
Yeah, me to story ba me na ka me ye kai sa wona ye na say but if you say oh ni so wow be ye me to say
Ba ya me sheda wa ya me hu ne say eye me right
sika bi wo
Debbie tie na me me nyeja wo me so wo ye kwatakra be beje wo share
hu ni pa wo kakra
jajaja Sandra na me madam fu bi ho growing up no girl bi na me no mu wo ska pa mu je so mu wo ska ni papa sisi fie o mo japade properties ni ade na okonya boy dada ne so be ware no girl no on say ne na ye bibi say yo ho nti ase no onya be ma boy be dada na ye bibi say ensre na yare ensre
na say una ye
na nye sa ni ampane na ye say
na ga ka be so ko ware sa obi ade na ye say
o na woni say won panka akwa kodi echi nipa ne na ye say nti hu no na o say oh me dofo na me kra me be mbeka say wo ye sure wo say yes yehu ya no afa girl ni sika dia ko ware oba wofro ti me take revenge ama no ti be de be ma bia oba me su bia wo kra wo so wa yese ya meje me pa ko mote hwan obia oba meje wo me
na o musika ke te hu mo
de bi se won sa me ya me ni o mo nye lie me meji o musika ke no ma free me hwe me wie wa me free mu
oh but we no so na o share o baby na oni big man na no be share ya wa
na say bi atome da sa ye twam bi ai bi beto me na wo some driver bi o drive common driver me ka say si kwan ho na ma fa say fa mi kofia o say sister me pew na me bo modern driver so ne form hwe na tade kaka ka hye na ayesi e na me hwe ni din na me say boy we me kire unyansa next time ukoba biemu a uhu oba na wayese ya butwe
and you just what been a while when it's yes. What I say, a mechanic, or we can't only pull on in a big piazza. Then the big piazza. I tell you, I can't watch him. Oh, and I've got me nim. I tell you, some big pia, and some coverage back. And some coverage because pull away butcher, up by nay. Which you can 8,000. 8,000. And I'm 8,000. My mom 5,000. I got 3,000. No corner. So, and Ramatadi and I say, you know, this is a just schedule. It will be 3,000. I come with your man now.
Oh, okay. Not no buy. I'm interested. Let me have up to 3,000.
I hope so. We're now medical catch me. Pull an ambitious in original. Then pet China near Mount. As I was so kind of Mokai as any Mamma Mukuka. Was it so original?
Original bunny.
Yes, listen.
Or I don't know anyone here.
Whenever you went away. The cars, the 40 Ben about Kaba Quadamu, you know, and need my money.
And I say, customer, the other company do customer.
Okay.
Don't thank guys, cow. I fit a media.
Okay, boss.
That's all.
Pasha.
Okay.
Obey
Yes.
you know.
Boss, Pasha, me man no work.
Oh, what's your name on offer? That's big family man.
All right, sure. Yeah. Now they can you're trying.
3,000.
I'm on the 3,000. And the crutch on and I'm train.
I don't want to do it.
But I'm not sure.
I'm coming.
Shattered glass on the floor, hearts and fragments cold war. Echoes of your last laugh linger like a locked door. A mirror can't reflect me, not the me from before.
Patricia.
Bibi ania se ba ha me hu
Boss. Patricia, 100 na dem.
na de minim
Oh,
come on say come on say
I say 100 here, 100 here.
ada juma be no why wo stress scam me no why line na makodi ada scan wo dia mama 100 can feel ko kana focus.
Hello family, what's good? 3940 here. Guess what? NKB Studios have free access to its unreleased movies on YouTube. Unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then you can subscribe. So link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis pay to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya. But all person when secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis pay. Na bo link na so edo be ko channel no so straight. Na di wakwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Na nya ka so go to your old trend there, o de koye bra, o de koye bra ni be dia dance here. Koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love active.